Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to cook chicken-fillet crispy chicken sandwich. This is usual. We're going to marinate with pickle juice and water, and then we're just going to do step by step. So we're just going to use just pickles. So we're going to use the juice and we're going to use the water. Let's get into it. I'm going to try and cut it. Hey! Yep. Oh well. Oh, don't use that. Just go. I was going to try and cut it sideways, but pickle juice. Oops. What? Oh, just juice. I'll just show the juice. There's the juice. So it's 1.5/2 cups of pickled juice. One, yeah. And then 1.5 before 2, eh? Yes, 1/4 cups of water.
Marinate. Half a cup of pickled juice.
You've done that?
1/4 cup of water.
Yes.
You've done it.
Yes. Now I just got to add the chicken for 30.
Yes.
Oh. So let this marinate for 30 minutes. I'll put this to the side. So 1/2 cup of marinades. Sorry, I'm making a mess. Oh, I am making a mess. Yeah. Put it in. So what else we're going to do?
1 teaspoon of the Dijon mustard.
So use this?
Yes.
So I do mustard.
Yes. 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
Three teaspoons of yellow mustard.
So same one?
Yes.
So 3.
Yes.
1. 2. 3.
Okay. 2 teaspoons of barbecue sauce.
Same one?
Yes.
Oh, wow. We're just going to... What?
I thought I had the yellow ones there, orange ones here.
So how many of hockey sauce?
2.
That's my second one. That's alright.
Okay. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder.
Okay, where's the garlic powder? I got this powder. Oh, it stinks.
Half a teaspoon of paprika.
Same.
Yes.
I'll just got this. Doesn't smell that nice.
Okay. Then 1 teaspoon of lemon juice.
Okay. Same one?
No, the black one.
Oh, this one here?
Yes. Oh, babies. Oh, you, oh. They're fleeing each other.
Biting each other.
Oh. Okay. Now, 2 tablespoons of honey.
Same one?
No. The big one, the orange one. 2 tablespoons of honey.
Honey! Oh, this one here?
Yes, and then you mix it all together. Get that spoon and scrape it off. Okay, and another one.
So mix.
Mix it all together, yes.
I'll just do it like this. Okay. I'll just do the whisk.
Yes, the whisk.
Okay. Up. What? Okay. Don't have flowers in this. I know I'm a bit messy with flour. Here's the fun begins. Okay. Oops. I made a mess. Look, made another one. He told you the fun will begin. Oh.
Okay, that's enough.
Whoops, I made a mess. See, I made a mess. In here?
Yep. 3 tablespoons of the powdered sugar.
Okay, this one here?
No, the big one.
This one?
Yep.
Okay, the sugar. Where's the sugar?
Powdered sugar.
This one here?
Yes. What does it say?
Icing sugar.
Yeah, I presume that's powdered sugar.
Oh well. How many?
3.
Go 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Half a teaspoon of paprika.
Paprika. So this one here?
Give us a look.
Or this one?
No, this one's half a teaspoon. That's a teaspoon.
So it'll be this one.
Yeah, half a teaspoon. Then half a teaspoon of chili powder.
Oh, you can use Old Bay.
Half a teaspoon of salt.
All the same.
Yeah, half a teaspoon of salt.
I'm just speaking.
Half a teaspoon of baking powder.
So with the same
Yes, that's half a teaspoon, yes.
Ow!
1 to 2 teaspoons of cane oil. So how much?
I'm just going to use
Is that just one of those? Yeah, I think so.
So I don't want to...
And then 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay. And the ground black peppers. It says 1 teaspoon, or you can just use half.
I'm just going to use...
Half?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, did you fill the half teaspoon?
No, I put some in there too. Put it again.
Okay.
Cause it's just...
Okay. Okay, so just mix that together. Just look.
I'll just get the whisk. Mix it together.
Yeah. So get out a smaller bowl.
Yeah. Oh, for the milk and.
No matter what you want to do first.
I'll put milk in first.
Okay, well half a cup. Oh well, it might be half a cup's there.
Okay.
Oh, you didn't need it, didn't you? Okay, yeah, that's half a cup. Okay, crack the egg in half a cup to make sure it's...
In here?
Yeah, just to make sure it's right.
Okay.
Just don't forget we're using free range eggs.
Oh, yes.
Okay, that looks all good. Okay, put it in the... Does it smell? No, good.
No.
Good. Okay, put it in there now. Whiz.
So we get air fryers on. So we're going to use the air fryer. So I'm gonna go.
Okay, now we're going to coat the chicken.
So with egg.
Okay.
So we're going to do egg.
Oh, so yeah, dip it, yeah, just shake the marinade off.
Hold up.
Okay. Dip it in the egg. Make sure it's there. Okay, then you dip it into the flour mixture. Make sure it's all covered. You might need to get a spoon to make sure it's all covered.
Oops.
Yeah. Make sure it's all...
I just used the tongs.
Okay, now just lift it off again, shake it off. Okay, put it into the egg mixture again.
Oh my gosh.
And you're double dipping it. Make sure it's all covered and back into the flour.
Oh. There you go.
Okay, and just put it, yeah. Make sure it's all...
Yeah, it is.
Okay, we'll put it on the plate and then, okay, do it to each
Chicken.
chicken, yeah. So you're double dipping.
Okay. I don't think they can see me doing the
Well, what do you want me to do? Lift it up.
Oh, no, I'll be alright.
You see? Can you see?
Yeah. Oh, it's just they don't see me doing the powder part, that's all.
Oh, this chicken was in the way.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
alright. That's all. And back again.
Do it double dipping, yeah.
Okay. I'm having fun doing this. Oh. Ah,
What happened?
nothing.
This is the first one.
Huh?
Is that the first one?
No, this is the second one. Yes. Okay. might just use my hands. Because I'm getting I'm just going to use my hands. Oh, I'll stop that because I already done some of
you. Okay, now we've heated up the air fryer. So just put the chickens, just layer. How many can you get in?
I don't know. How many do we think we can get in?
Well, just get as many as you can.
Ah!
What did you do?
Drop it.
Well, it's dead. It's not bouncing around.
You know me.
Okay,
that's only 4.
Oh, okay, that's all right. That'd be enough. No, that'd be enough. Now, spray it with the oil. Lightly spray the chicken.
Spray the chicken?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, a bit more maybe. Just done each chicken. Okay, now put it in the air fryer by the handle. Don't touch the sides because it's hot.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Okay, pop it in. Okay, cook it put it on for 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Or 11 or 10, yeah. Okay. Do it whichever way you want. Teaspoon and spread it around.
Okay, I'm gonna
Put it together.
oh, okay, gonna my sauce. So I'll put it on top too. Okay. So what do I do first?
Put the sauce on if you want.
Yeah, I did.
And then just put your chicken and put anything else that you want on.
Okay. That's on top. This chicken. Lettuce. Couple of onions. No, I just took it off. And this is going to be a big burger. Oh my god. I'm going to try it. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. If you guys want to try this recipe, the link down in the description below. Push the subscribe button. Push the like button. Bunny is out. Bye. I was laughing.